I I wish you have liked the previous video how to make straight lines and curved lines to make a good beard. And I really hope that the products that you saw on the link above have been useful to you because I have took me some time to choose them, but I found the best one at the best price because this is the most important. You don't have to spend a lot of money just to have a good product on your face. So now today we are going to make is the mustache. How to make a beautiful mustache like my one in its steps. I'm going. The first thing you have to do is brush your mustache because I don't want this. It's another style. This is not my style. I respect the people who have this style, but it makes me look a little old. I prefer a mustache. I brush it because the sensation is very good. Okay. Now, what we have to take in account when we are going to make this kind of mustache? I have the lip here. I don't want down. I don't want up this corner of the lip. I want it straight in the line. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going my product. But now I am not going to use this product. Now I'm going to use a product and gel that is different. But it has the same. You see that I look different with the mustache. I use the product and see with the thing, my finger, I protect the hair I don't want to cut because every hair on the mustache you have to know that is so precious. You don't know how much I suffer when I see the hair falling or when I cut some see it extra. To me, this is terrible. This is the end of my day. So wait, let's continue. I go down here and I respect. So this side. Now I go to the other side. Why I made this bisection? Because doing bisection, if you put too much product, you don't have space to touch. It squeeze. So making bisection, I can do it. Remember, respect the line because that's the kind of mustache that I'm looking for. Perfect. Now I'm going remember the position of the thing. You don't do straight. You have to pour a little late 30 degrees, 40 degrees at 90 never. Well, what I'm going to do, I not go from one. No, don't do it. Don't do it. The best thing is this way. To me. See, following the hair direction, I go from down to up. See how easy it is? Down to up, down to up, down to up. See how easy it is? Other direction, down to up. See how you don't listen. You don't see my skin scratching. You don't see me bleeding. because I follow the rules. Now I am going to make this part. Remember, from now I go here. I make a little different. I stretch. Then you have to. Uh, Look how easy it is. Look how easy it is. Now I am going to make this part. I do. I separate my mustache. I don't want to touch it. Remember, I respect here because here inside no. I'm going following the hair direction. The same this part. Following the hair direction. My skin is soft. I can assure it is soft. Now I clean my face. See, what do you see? Has been difficult? Has been easy? I know you can do it. I am here to help you to achieve a great mustache, to achieve what is a beautiful style. Everyone can do it. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So leave your comments below, follow, and you will have two more tips for all kind of stuffs. Not only that, but I always will gonna achieve, we're gonna leave products to you to use, and always this product is gonna be cheap. I'm gonna investigate before leave a product here. Okay,